In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display an Elementor slider from templates for free, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your WordPress site. It's where you'll manage all your pages and start working with Elementor, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Now, select the page where you'd like to add the slider and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor interface, which is your playground for creating beautiful page designs. Next, we want to bring in the necessary element for our slider. In the Elementor editor, go to the Elements section and search for carousel. Elementor has a ton of widgets to choose from, so typing in carousel will help you find exactly what we're looking for. Once you've found the carousel widget, go ahead and drag the image carousel widget onto your page. This will automatically add a place for your image slider. To populate this slider with images, click on the plus icon within the widget. This opens your media library where you can select already uploaded pictures or upload new ones. If you want to set up a fresh collection of images or adjust the current one, it's easy to do. You can either create a new gallery of images or choose one that you've prepared earlier. Just click on create a new gallery and then insert gallery to add your selected images to the slider. With your images inserted, you can now start configuring the settings to tailor the slider to your liking. First up, you'll decide on the slides to show. This is where you specify how many images you want to be visible at once on your slider. After that, determine the slides to scroll setting, which controls how many images move when you swipe or click. You have control over the navigation options as well. Decide whether you want to use arrows, dots, both, or maybe you're fine with no navigation aids at all. For the image stretch setting, you can choose whether or not you want your images to fill the entire space of the slider. Additionally, set your preferred image size, whether it's a thumbnail or full size, depending on how you want your images to be displayed. Feel free to explore more customization options for your slider within Elementor. Once you are satisfied with your settings and how the slider looks, the final step is to click Publish. And just like that, you've successfully created a beautiful functional image slider on your WordPress page using Elementor, all for free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you effortlessly create an Elementor slider. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.